Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Timmy and today I'll be reviewing to you guys my new wig stand, and I hope you guys sit back and enjoy. Okay. So today I'll be showing you this product from GEX, and it's a wig stand. It comes with this package right here, and it comes with different screws. It comes with like 1, 2, 3, like 3, actually 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It comes with 5 different screws that you can always put on your wig stand. It's quite steady for a wig stand. It is quite steady. So where I bought this from AliExpress, and the reason why I bought it from there was because it was way much cheaper to buy there. I believe I paid less than $80 for it, and whereas Amazon was asking about $100. That's why I bought it from AliExpress, because girl is trying to be a hot summer girl on a budget. We're not trying to spend too much on a wig stand. Okay, so this wig stand, as you can see, it is pink in color. I do like the color. It's pink in color, it's cute, it's so feminine, which I really like. One thing I just don't like about it is the fact that when I got it, I don't know, maybe it was like packaging damages that happened to it. It looked like maybe it was bought and returned, because I had like few scratches at the bottom. And I'm gonna show it to you guys. I had like few scratches at the bottom. I'll take a picture and post it for you guys to see, because my camera is not working. I'll post the pictures and have you guys look at it. So I had a few scratches at the bottom. I don't know if it was something that was used previously and returned back. I'm not so sure. But as per the wig stand, it's a very steady wig stand. Apart from one thing I always have a problem with is when I'm trying to take off the ball head off the wig stand, and I'll show you what I'm talking about in a second. When you look closely to this and you try to unlock this, if the screw is unlocked while you're trying to remove the head, it's gonna take you a while. So with this, you have to screw it up to the tightest, and then you can remove the ball head. It's so much easier that way. It's so much easier that way, and then you can get it. But if you have the screw unscrewed, my sisters, my brothers there, you're going to have a problem with it, because it took me literally 5 minutes trying to figure out what was going on with the wig stand. One thing I also like about it is the sides here has like a thing, like a protector thing to kind of where you can grab, like a protective thing that you can kind of grab and hold on to, which I really like. You can see it's like this black thing, and it's got like the design of the GEX on it. Let me show it to you guys here. It's pink. It's got like, so when I initially bought this, you squeeze that screw right there, and that screw actually stabilizes the whole wig stand, and that makes it like stable in place. And that's the only section I see on the wig stand that has a screw that kind of controls like how steady you want your wig stand to be. So far, it's a good buy. It's quite tall, and you can always maneuver it to get a little bigger. I'm actually 5'4", and this is really, really big for, it's really, really tall. I don't mind it. It's really good. Just a few things I don't really like is the fact that it's got like all this metal looking things that makes it really physical to work with. It feels like I am physically doing work and physically like putting things, using my hands to put things together. Yeah, I don't really enjoy doing that. But other than that, it's a good wig stand. It's stable on the ground. It's really tall, and I can't really complain much. And let me just put up my wig head for you so you guys can see what it's like. So this is my wig head, and this is my styrofoam head, and it sticks in place for it, and it's quite tall. So just wait for a second and see what it looks like in terms of the height. I'll show you guys the height so you guys can kind of see what it appears as. It's quite tall. I'll just show you what it looks like. And like that. It's also an aluminum alloy base, and it's a good buy. I would suggest anyone was interested in getting a wig stand that is somewhat in between, not too expensive and not too cheap, then this might be ideal for someone like that. But other than that, it's okay, it's good. I'll give it a 6.5 out of 10. Just because it just seems too a lot of metals going on, and it just seems too physical, and that's the only reason why I'm giving it a 6.5 out of 10. But in terms of its durability, it is quite durable, and I like the fact that there's an additional pink touch to the stand. And yeah, and it's got this thing here that unwinds and makes the wig stand taller and shorter. It makes it taller and shorter. And it's so hard. Like I just feel like I'm physically doing so much work to put the stand in place, and I don't like that. I really don't like that. And that can kind of help you get your stand in place and gets it taller. Look at that. I'm doing so much work to get this in place, like to get it higher. I don't like that. I don't like to do additional work especially when you pay for something. You shouldn't be working so hard to get it to get it to do what it is supposed to do. But other than that, it's a 6.5. And that's all I have to say today. Thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, as well as share them with your colleagues and your friends and your family. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.